Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Workplace 101. I'm Lisa from TeamViewer, and today I'm answering some questions about the digital workplace. The digital workplace is the ecosystem of technologies employees use to do their jobs, combining tools, data, and communication channels in one connected environment. It supports work from anywhere, whether that's at home, in an office, or somewhere else. These days, it's hard to find a workplace that isn't digital. Employees everywhere rely on digital tools, no matter their role or industry. Take manufacturing, for example. The digital workplace provides access to real-time data and keeps communication flowing across the factory floor and the office, making operations smooth and efficient. In finance, digital tools, from messaging apps to secure data access, are essential for day-to-day work. The digital workplace brings them together in a secure environment that protects customer data and keeps systems resilient. And for the everyday desk worker, the digital workplace is everything from file sharing to project management tools. It helps you stay productive, whether you're at your desk, your kitchen table, or in a coffee shop. Excellent question. Your digital workplace is your company's tech ecosystem, set up in alignment with your wider business goals. Your digital workspace is the set of digital tools that you use for work. It keeps you productive, which ultimately drives company success. And digital workplace management is the way your IT team monitors and optimizes those technologies, making sure they're secure, resilient, and easy to use. You can think of the digital workplace as a buffet. Everything your company offers to support different roles and ways of working. Your digital workspace is like your plate. You don't need everything from the buffet. Instead, you choose what works for you. And just like the chef who plans the menu, IT leaders manage the digital workplace and make sure it meets evolving company and employee needs. The evolution toward flexible working is undeniable, and the digital workplace lays the foundation for that. In a well-managed digital environment, employees can access the tools they need to stay productive from anywhere. With full visibility of your entire digital ecosystem, it's easier for IT teams to manage compliance and security. An optimized digital experience also makes it less likely for employees to use unauthorized apps or devices, also known as shadow IT. Perhaps most importantly, it helps companies become more resilient. With proactive digital workplace management, IT teams can reduce downtime and recover from disruptions quickly. This helps maintain business operations and customer experience. And there you have it, a quick introduction to the digital workplace. If you're interested in learning more, grab a copy of our brand new ebook, The Digital Workplace for Dummies. It's packed with insights and practical tips to help you build a smarter, more connected working environment for your team.